Hey guys, Jake here from the mob team, and today we're going to be building some more stuff. Major lag at the moment, hang on. But basically, we're going to finish off the armory. I know I said I'd finish it off camera, but then we went to see the new Hobbit, which is, I have to say, absolutely awesome. So, if the lag would stop, we'll continue with the armory, get the leg, and continue with all the armor, and then we might be able to start on something a bit more Christmassy. Because I had an idea when I was in the car, to make a nature walk. And basically it's all Christmas trees, because it is 2 nights and then it's Christmas, and Space Marines, and I thought that would be a nice idea, nice little feature to the mob city, and might as well put these on. And so what we're going to start off is with the Russian armor, and then we've got the Royal Marines, I think it is, and right. So I don't think there's much more armor, like custom armor. I'm not sure. I'll check. What's this? Flag. Vehicle spawner. Spawner. I wonder what this vehicle spawner does. Oh, obviously it spawns in vehicles, but I don't get it. It's an item spawner. I want it to be a vehicle spawner. Anyway, so let me just type in armor, end of death. Doesn't look there is. Armor spikes. Oh yeah, so you got the armor upgrade tables and all that. But I don't actually think there is any other armor. Might be a problem. Well, not a problem, but that's a bit unfortunate. Necromancy. That would be in the laboratory. And what is this? Open blocks. God, no, nope. Target. Oh, target. That may be good. Item cannon. How do we use it? How do we use it? Oh, it's just a display thingy. Well, display thingy or not display thingy, I'm gonna use it. So, you've got a nice cannon. No, I don't want it to face that way. For some reason it doesn't want to face any other way, which is a shame. Anyway, so we have that, and then we have the target, which I don't get because it's not on the wall, so I don't know how you're supposed to use it, but do we rest it up again? No, don't know how you do it. But anyway, so looks like that is all of the what's this? That looks like it's all of the armor. But yeah. And oh my god, this is the best thing I have ever seen. Oh my god. What do I look like? Oh my god. How do I use this? Oh my god. Oh my god. Right. So let's just add an iron diamond, no, yeah, iron armor. Oh, that wasn't even iron armor. Okay, let's add in this, because that is part of the mod. So it'll look a bit better, possibly. Right, so now, I think that is the armory done. Okay, so all we need to do now is add the shopkeeper. Which again is going to be an alien villager. There we go. So let's just get one of those. Spawn this guy in and done. Well, just need to do the roof now. And yeah, so this nature park thing is going to be like nice and lit up. It's going to have special lighting that when you walk over blocks, like the hidden pressure plates. You walk over the hidden pressure plates and like lights will light up around you. And it's going to be looking pretty cool. Well, at least I hope it does. So let's get rid of this. And let's get some of these. Right, now, all I want to know is, can I place them on top of these? Yes, I can. That makes life so much easier. Now if I type in... No, 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 nope. This is gonna be a bit of a problem. Oh, look at all this new food. We have hamburgers. Okay, that's hamsters. More food stuff. Also, there's decoration blocks. Green umbrella. Oh my god. Well, we know that we're gonna be having a beach. And how do I take this thing down? Oh god, what have I done? And lag. Good. What? God damn it. Is it like invincible or something? Oh god. Well, I have an idea. I didn't say it's going to be a good one, but sure beats this. Right. If I could actually get down. There we go, you just have to keep on spamming it. So, there we go. Right, so, this is going to be very helpful. If we could find the actual stuff. It's just that, yes. Oh, the secret. Ah, that makes more sense. Secret stairs, no. Camouflage paint, no. Secret, no. Secret redstone, yes. And now we just need our appropriate choice of lamp, which will be the silver. Right. So let's see how long we have left first. Not long, so I'm just gonna do a bit more of the pathway, and then that'll be. Then we'll start on the nature walk. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button, and I'll see you guys when we make the when we make the nature walk. So thanks for watching and goodbye.